Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can enable Airlink. For this you will need to have the Oculus app installed. I have a tutorial on how you can do this, so check that one out. First you will need to go to the settings, then you will need to go to beta. Here you will need to enable Airlink. This will turn off as soon as you close the app. It doesn't turn off after for 24 hours. It will turn off as soon as you close the app, so you will need to enable it every time. After you click this, and you are on your Quest 2, you need to go to your settings, which I will now show you. Okay, so now you want to enable it on the Quest side. You will need to go to settings, then go down to experimental features and select Airlink. I have already enabled it, as you can see. Then you will go to quick actions, and then there should be your PC if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi 5 GHz is recommended, although 2.4 GHz will also work. If you liked this video and it was helpful for you, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing the video, and have a nice day.